Our members won 4 more trades overnight. We've got a 10% win in Uniswap, 10% in Atom, 8% in Bitcoin Cash, and another 8% in ApeCoin. This brings us to a total 303 wins and 0 losses in our membership trades. And I want to show you exactly how our members are accomplishing this so you can do the same. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. I want to let you know we have a brand new future forecast out for our members. This is super important. We are going to give you a full walkthrough of the tax software we use. It's incredibly easy. How to connect multiple exchanges and wallets, how to forecast your tax burden, an update on XRP, XLM, ADA, Sol, and SHIB exit charts, and an update on alt season and why the official start is very close. Guys, you need to be ready. Let's get prepared for profit. Watch this as soon as possible, and I'll show you later in this video how to get access. All right, let's talk about how our members are maximizing profit. We're going to jump down to the trade wins. Here we are. We're going to take a look at the ApeCoin trade first. This was called out just a couple of days ago. July 15th with its 8% take profit hit July 17th. On this trade, we saw price versus while money flow low, meaning whales had oversold and were likely to buy back in. This is bullish because as whales buy, indicated by this green line moving up, this is when we see price tend to increase as well. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. Now, the trades in favor dropping into the long trade zone is also highly bullish. This means that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. Now, typically, we're going to be looking for a buy or strong buy signal as well, which indicates ideal candle entries. But with how bullish the rest of the market was, seeing just these 2 out of 3 signals was good enough, and we called this entry. Now, when making an entry, we split our investment into 3 equal parts. This is our risk management, so you're going to want to pay close attention. First part goes into the market order, second part goes to buy limit 1, and the third part goes to buy limit 2. Once all buy orders are set up, we then set our take profit. In this case, 8% above the market order at 69.3 cents. Let's see how this played out. Guys, we saw the price increase and hit that take profit almost immediately. Easy trade win, but this isn't always how it goes. Sometimes those buy limits really do save the trade. And let's take a look at a couple more. I'll show you exactly what this looks like. Bitcoin Cash called out the 15th. Buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. We can see it hit almost immediately. Right here, this trade was called out June 10th with a 10% take profit hit today, July 17th. Price versus while money flow low, and whale money was moving into the market. Trades in favor was kind of high, but we recently saw a long trade zone reading. We needed to be careful here, but we decided it was worth an entry as long as we had our risk management up with our full exit strategy ready to go. What we saw right here, we just barely didn't hit the buy limit strategy. We ended up moving back up. It took a while, but easy 10% profit. Guys, this is the trade where risk management saved us. Called out January 23rd with the 10% take profit hit July 17th. We saw a buy signal. We saw price versus while money flow low. We saw trades in favor low. And about 78% of the time, these are going to win. We set our risk management, set our take profit. Let's take a look at what happened. The price ended up dropping below buy limit 1 and then buy limit 2. Now this did 2 things. First, it doubled and then tripled our original investment. So we now have 3 times the amount of money as we originally did in the market. Each buy limit hit also dropped the break even, allowing us to drop our take profit as well. So after hitting buy limit 2, our break even was way down here, meaning we can move our take profit to $9.97.6 when our original entry was $12.44.6. So our traders won 10% profit before most traders would have even been close to earning profit, or even worse, selling at a loss. This is the power of this strategy, guys, and this is how our traders have won 303 trades straight in the past 28 months. Now, I know that sounds crazy, so I want to validate this with you. Let's take a look at the performance record. This is public ledger. You can take a look at this too in case you want to verify yourself. But we have trade wins ranging between 4 and 20%. We're mostly looking for 10% to 20% profit recently. And as we head up, guys, we are going to see out of all 303 trade wins, about 77% of the trades are winning just using the Bullish Trifecta. And from there, the remaining 23% of trades win using the full risk management. And we track how many buy limits were used per trade so you can see how often you are using your risk management. Guys, this is the strategy that we use to call the trade setups for our members. And if you want us to call these trade setups, the membership is for you. But if you want to earn these trades on your own, you can actually snag the same indicators we use, the TC top and bottom finder, price versus vol money flow, and trades in favor, and trade on your own. When looking for entries, once again, we just want to see a buy signal, price versus vol money flow low, trades in favor low. You're going to see this pattern repeat over and over again, and almost every single time massive moves are following. Now, right now, there is a little bit more of a bearish sentiment on Uniswap and likely other altcoins too. And what we need to be ready for is whale money to sell out of the market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. This would drop the price. And as price versus whale money flow gets oversold again, this is going to see the trades in favor drop into the long trade zone as we get a buy signal. This is the Bullish Trifecta. It could be a great entry, and we can head into the TC top and bottom finder and add our risk management strategy. It really is as easy as that. And even if you want to call these trades out for yourself using these indicators, you're going to want to snag a membership because our members can get access to these indicators for up to $550 off, on top of money-making benefits like the future forecasts, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts. What you're going to want to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started. And once you've signed up, head to the indicator tab. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Members, your first $150 off can be found with the coupon code at this link. Click Pro Indicator Pack. Click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for today's future forecast episode and upcoming trade setups. Don't miss out.